Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol FCEL. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame, and it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis on Wednesday, but after today's movement, definitely some updates need to be made. For those of you that did watch the video from Wednesday, talked quite a bit about that pink line there, which on my chart denotes the 200 period moving average, and how it's a very important level. So it was great to see this morning the price just crush up through it right there, and after it got through it, it's not like it barely got above it. It just absolutely kept on going, and sure, the price did pull back, so it essentially gave up all those gains. However, the key thing there is, though, where it ultimately stopped, and that was once again stopping right there at that pink line. So really the power of charts, amazing how the price can revolve so much around a certain area, and that remains definitely the key level to watch going forward. As of now, again, yeah, the price is staying up above it, but even if the price were to break a little bit below it, you got to remember supports, resistance levels are not exact specific prices. There is a range element associated with it. So just because it might be slightly below, it doesn't mean that it's for sure a breakdown. But in the event it does, doesn't quite hold up and then get, especially on a higher volume break to the downside, at that point, and while there is no such thing as a guarantee, it wouldn't exactly be shocking at all to see the price at least go down to that 35-cent mark and retest the lows from where it got the bounce from earlier today during that opening 30 minutes. So in other words, support-wise initially, and definitely the level that would make it look the best, stay up above that 200 period moving average right now valued at 37. If that level cannot hold up, then again, while not a guarantee, odds are it probably go down and at least test 35, and then the next level of support after that down around 33. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, I still continue to watch that purple line up there, the 50 period moving average. But in my opinion, right now resistance levels don't matter that much because the key thing right now is just simply trying to stabilize and consolidate. And right now, so far, so good. I mean, the price, sure, it's been a little up and down, but at least this up and down is going sideways as opposed to something like this where the price is going up and down, but the up and down is in some sort of downtrend. So this is much better for stabilization. So we'll see if the price can continue to do that or not. And it's looking like it'll be an interesting Friday. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.